Hey guys, my new phone is here. It is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, 512 gigs in Sierra Blue. So I'm about to unbox it and show y'all my first reactions to it. All the eco packaging, no more plastic. That's a real camera bump. I'm coming from the 10s Max, so this is my first time having a square one. That's a serious camera bump. I love the way this blue looks though. I know some people don't. I love it. So nice. And I can tell that they did move the buttons instantly. I can tell they moved those lower. The charger, the SIM ejector tool, and the sticker. They really don't give us no power brick anymore. That's crazy. I've been buying iPhones since number 5, and that's wild. So let's turn it on for the first time. And I can tell this has some weight to it compared to, oh yeah, this one's definitely heavier. Oh, that's crazy. So, did they send me a dead phone? No, they didn't. Look at it. I can't wait to take some macro pictures with this. I'm excited. Because I once bought a lens off of Amazon that had the macro effect on it so I could get close and take macro pictures. United. What is my Wi-Fi password? That's crazy. This one is just slightly taller. But that camera bump is gigantic. I can't get over this camera bump. Because to be fair, the 10s Max was going to be my last iPhone. But everybody told me, oh, you can't just leave iPhone right now. So this probably will be my last one. Because that Galaxy Fold is looking kind of hard. You know, I got to be honest. Set up everything later. I got to make a passcode right now, bro. Oh, don't use passcode. I'm gonna set all that up later off of camera. Not transferring nothing. I'm sick, I can't just skip this. So, I really love this blue. I love how I feel in the hand coming from the round one. I don't know. It feels kind of sharp, but I don't know. So I might be more of a fan of the rounded edges. But, you know, everything comes with change, so. Sick my time say 11:14 on this phone. It is for show 2 something. Do I know my Apple ID by heart? Let's see. No, I don't. Sick. Yep, I don't remember my Apple passcode right now, so we're gonna have to do this all later. But thanks for sticking with me through this unboxing, and I'm sure to upload some more videos on this phone coming soon. Peace.